Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make your iPhone flasher when you get a text or call. First go to settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and click on general. Then click on accessibility. Then scroll down. Then click on LED flash or alerts. Then turn on LED flash for alerts. Make sure to on flash on silent option. If you on flash on silent option, use LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent. If you can't find these steps, simply go to settings on your iPhone. Then click on search bar. Then type flash. Then you can see LED flash for alerts. Click on that. Then turn on LED flash or alerts. I hope this video is very useful to you guys. Like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.